In this video, I'll show you how you can go ahead and download Steam on your PC. So this is the Steam homepage. Then there's an option right here to install Steam. Just go ahead and click on this option. As you can see, I can just click on this to install it, right? It'll start downloading it to my downloads on Chrome. And then I'll go ahead and just start installing the setup. So as you can see, setup is done. So I'll go ahead and click on that exe file. And then it will open up. I'll just click on yes right here. And let's do the Steam setup. Let's click on next. Language, English. You can choose whatever language you want. This destination folder is fine with me. I'll just click on install. And it is extracting everything, creating a shortcut for us while Steam is installing. And there we go. Steam has been installed on our computer. And I can just click on finish to run Steam. So now Steam is currently updating. There's a minor update going on. So we'll just wait for that. All right, there we go. Steam has started up. Now I just have to go ahead and log in with my account name and password. Okay, let me go ahead and do that. There you go. I'm doing this verification code and we'll basically be signed in. There we go. It was really that easy and simple.